Hi, I'm Marie. I came to see Helen because I was overweight, in a lot of pain. I had hip surgery last year and got told that I needed a total hip replacement, and that scared me to no end. And I got on the scales and found that I was 98.5 kilos, which I wasn't very proud about, and decided I needed help. So I came to HypnoFit, and since I've been coming to HypnoFit, I no longer feel I need to eat large portions of food. I've cut down the portion size of food that I eat. And I also feel very differently about exercise. Where I used to struggle to walk, let alone do any other form of exercise, I now walk every day for a minimum of half an hour. I can get on a bike and I cycle, I go to aqua aerobics classes, and I actually want to exercise. I've been losing about half a kilo a week. I've lost a total of 10.5 kilos to date, and my clothes are no longer skin tight on me. I don't have to buy size 20 clothes anymore. I'm wearing size 18, even getting smaller in some of those clothes. I'm feeling fabulous and loving life. And I'm just going to keep going because I want to live, I want to dance, and that's exactly what I'm going to do.